is my great honor to welcome you to the sales awarding and kick-off ceremony for Montana Misora Homes. Today, we celebrate not only our remarkable achievement over the past year, but also the start of an exciting new chapter this year, 2025.
For 230 units.
And we're just getting started. A testament to our hard work and dedication. 2025! Cheers! We will rock you!
But today, it is not just about recognition, it is also about looking forward and beyond. Welcome to this special event, and let's celebrate, let's plan, and let's energize ourselves for the exciting journey ahead. Mabuhay ang Montana Misora Home. At mabuhay rin ang mga Cagayanos. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.